Hello friends, now welcome back and Zenet House Cook. Today by me cooking one chicken pie using Zenek Meaty Bites. This plate am all ingredients we're going to use. Alright, let's start on 10, just chopping all chicken blade shredded pieces. Now adding more with the garlic bread on top, then adding chicken blade. Okay, now you put in more mixed veggies, any veggies you can put in one side, then stir in. Adding 1.5 cup chicken soup, then you add in mushroom blade one side. Okay. Seasoning 1 time, 2 teaspoons salt, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, na adding black pepper or light to you. Mix in half cup potato starch, adding 1 side lo chicken soup. 1 time you kusem, set him aside na go straight lo, start lo walk 1 time pie crust play me. Adding half teaspoon salt, 1 side lo 1.5 cup flour, adding half cup butter 1 side lo flour, na mix him going up and form him kind of crumbs or sen. Then add him 4 teaspoon ice water. Na doing 1 serve strong, put him the bends na using rolling pin na rolling. Depend lo on him shape or size lo pie be you like him no him. Just use one bowl or cup, cut him na fit him one side lo pie tray. Brush and toss one time made wash na bake him for 10 to 12 minutes. Now you may add him all fillings to me one side lo pie crust. Okay, finish to this la using all excess or dough and stuff there. Roll him out na put him on top lo pie blue. Add him made wash na bake him for 30 to 35 minutes until pie crust and golden brown. Let him stop him quick, then you serve him na enjoy. This nice pla kai where you can serve him no lunch ball bikini lo current go schools where you all can enjoy him. Genetic chicken, meatier, tastier, juicier.